Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the posology. The posology is useful for the diploma as well as the degree pharmacy students. Posology is derived from the Greek word posos, means how much, and logos means the science. So definition is posology is a branch of medical science which deals with the dose or quantity of the drugs which can be administered to the patient to get desired pharmacological action. Means in that posology, the dose or quantity of the drugs is useful for getting the pharmacological action. The study of this dose or quantity of the drug. This is posology. There are various factors affect on this posology. Total 16 factors are there. Out of this, we are discussed here the few factors. Age, the pharmacokinetics of the many drugs changes with the age. So therefore, age is factor is affect on this dose. Then sex, women do not always respond to action of drug in same manner as it is done in men. As compared to men, women do not always respond to action of the drug. Body weight, average dose mentioned in mg per kg. So dose should be calculated according to the body weight. Dose should be calculated according to the body weight. This is body weight factor. Then route of administration, IV dose smaller than oral dose, because for IV intravenous small quantity of the dose is required than oral. Then presence of the disease, drug like barbiturate and chlorpromazine may produce liver cirrhosis in patient. So disease condition is also important factor for dose. Next, synergism. What is synergism? When two or more drugs are used in combined form, their action is increased. This is known as the synergism. I repeat, when two or more drugs are used in combined form, their action is increased. After combination of these two drugs or two or more drugs, the action is increased, known as the synergism. Next, antagonism. When action of one drug is opposed by other drugs on same physiological system, known as drug antagonism. Means one drug is suppress the action of another drug, is known as the drug antagonism. Okay, and this antagonism useful in treatment of poisoning. Next, idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy means the extraordinary response to the drug which is different from pharmacological action. Okay, means extraordinary response of the drugs is appear, which is totally different from the pharmacological action. This is known as idiosyncrasy. Next is a tachyphylaxis. Okay, tachyphylaxis means when some drug repeatedly administered at short interval. Due to this, cell receptor get blocked and pharmacological response decreased. This arrow sign indicate the decrease, and this decreased response cannot reverse by increasing the dose. Okay, I repeat again, tachyphylaxis, when some drug repeatedly administered at short interval, cell receptor get blocked and pharmacological response decrease, and this decreased response cannot reverse by increasing dose. After repeatedly administering the dose some drug at short interval, the cell receptor get blocked, and because of this the pharmacological response also decreased or reduced, and this reduced response or decreased response which is cannot be reversed by increasing the dose, and this effect is known as the tachyphylaxis. These are the some factors which is affect on the dose. Again, next part is the calculation of the dose. As per definition, posology means the dose calculation, dose or quantity of the drugs to get pharmacological effect. Dose are also calculated in the proportionate to the age, body weight and surface area of the patient. First, according to the age, in that four formulas are there: Young's formula, Dealing's formula, Fried formula and Cowling formula. In short, YDFC. Young's formula. This formula used when children under 12-year age. Formula is age in years divided by age in years plus 12 into adult dose. Okay, this is Young's formula. Next, Dealing's formula. This formula used when children's age between 4 to 20 years. Dose for child is equal to age in years divided by 20 into adult dose. Next, Fried's formula. This Fried's formula useful for the infants, which is up to 2 years. So formula is dose for infants is equal to age in month divided by 150 into adult dose. Age in month, not in year. Okay. Now next is a Cowling formula. Cowling formula, dose for child is equal to age at next birthday in year divided by 24 into AD. AD means adult dose. Age at next birthday, whatever the age is there, and next birthday is in year divided by 24 into adult dose. Now second, dose proportionate to the body weight. In that, the Clark formula is used. What is the Clark formula? Child weight in kg divided by 70 into AD means adult dose. Means here the body weight is used. Child weight in kg divided by 70 into adult dose. This is Clark formula. And last one, dose proportionate to the surface area. This formula is more satisfactory and appropriate method than based on the age method. Out of these age method, in that four formulas are there, comparatively this surface area formula is more satisfactory used. Katzel rule. In that Katzel rule is there, dose for child is equal to surface area of child divided by surface area of the adult into adult dose. Average body surface area for adult is 1.73 meter square. So again the formula is there, dose for child is equal to surface area of child divided by, instead of this we put the value 1.73 meter square into adult dose. This is calculations of the dose. These three parameters: age, body weight and surface area. These formulas are there for calculation of the dose. This is the posology. Only remember that the definition, factors, we should explain all the factors and then calculations. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.